Welcome to Stone River's Become a Professional Logo Designer course, where you'll learn the inside secrets and techniques to designing and developing world-class logos. My name's Jeff Blake, and I'll be leading you through the course. I began my design and also my teaching careers well over 10 years ago, and I have equal passion for both visual communications and for teaching and showing other people how they can push and develop their skills even further. I've written books and articles for industry standard publishers and created countless online courses just like this one. We designed this course to be an in-depth, hands-on look at the process of designing fantastic logos and also how logos relate to marketing and branding. By the end of this course, you'll be able to analyze and develop logos and use your newfound skills to land paying projects with real clients. You'll learn about nonverbal communication cues that are used in logo design, how to organize a cohesive branding message, and how to analyze competitive marketplaces. You'll be given a hands-on, in-depth look at the logo design process and discover methods and approaches. Someone who has a passion for visual communications, who wants to expand their skill set and become more competitive in the marketplace themselves. There are no necessary course prerequisites. Just come ready to take a deep dive into the world of logo design and learn a lot about the entire process. Feel free to take a look at the course description, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.